How to use DB-GPT's ChatDB. ChatDB creates professional database experts, positioned as large language models as database administrator, who are able to do database performance analysis, optimization, and more by talking to the database. To use ChatDB, you need to select the application in the dashboard first and add your data source. You can do so via the Add Data Source button in the upper right corner. Select the corresponding database, type in the pop-up dialog box, and fill in the required parameters to complete the addition. After that, select your data source and the model you need to respond to. Now you can ask analytical questions and optimization requests for your database. Next, you will see a demonstration of some basic questions and answers. This includes questions on single table queries, multi-table queries, index optimization, recommendations, and database problem diagnosis.